One of my favorite features, and soon to be one of your favorite features in Google Docs, can be found under the Tools menu, voice typing. Voice typing is dictation. If you have a microphone hooked up to your computer, you can turn on voice typing, click to speak, and Google will take what you are saying and convert it into text, period. You simply speak as normal, comma. Results are better if you have a neutral accent, as do I, period. As your text is being transcribed, comma, you state the punctuation that you desire, exclamation mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, exclamation mark. New line. I think I may have overdone things. Period. New line. Voice typing, comma. It's just that easy. Did we answer your question? If so, a like, a share, and of course a subscribe would all be greatly appreciated. Now, are there any other tutorials that you want us to create? If so, drop us a note in the comments and we'll see what we can do. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.